Welcome, welcome. Spring is getting closer by the day. There's so many beautiful colors out there. I want to talk about not necessarily colors, but color combinations. There are some beautiful ones. I'm going to show you this in pictures. We're going to go quickly because you can watch it over and over. And I hope, and I'm challenging myself too, to really put these colors together. They are really lovely. Before I start, I just want to say that monochromatic across the board is just a huge thing for spring. If you go and watch the Acros spring fashion show, it's all monochromatic. The whole thing is monochromatic, and many of the designers have followed that. But one in particular, when I was watching, I thought everything's the same color. The handbags, the shoes, it's incredible. It's monochromatic. Having said that, we want to talk about what color combinations really work well together. And let's start with this first one. And this first one is butter yellow and burgundy. And it's just stunning. Yellow has been around obviously for years. A long time, but as a fashion color has been around for a long time. And yet people don't know necessarily what to pair it with. That butter yellow and burgundy look, you can just see. The combinations are here in this photo. You can just see they're just absolutely beautiful. Now what you're going to notice as I show you these different colors is they're going to put burgundy with several different colors. Burgundy and butter yellow is one. Burgundy and I have rose pink on is another. But keep in mind that as we go through these, you want to pick and separate them to where you can make a burgundy piece and it can go with all these different colors so that every time you wear that burgundy, it looks really fresh. I think the best thing about sewing is we can really combine these colors, and if we know how to use them in the base pieces, to really be extraordinary. Okay, the next one then is a pink and khaki. Just absolutely love this combination. I think you all will too. And again, the cool thing about sewing is if we don't like pink next to our face, we can put it down below. We can put khaki on top and pink. And here's the photos that show you some outfit suggestions so that you can do exactly what you want to do. This next one is lavender and raspberry. Love these colors together. They're just beautiful. Make them work for you. Here's some outfit ideas that you can really enjoy and really like, and make it happen. The colors are just stunning. The next one is cobalt blue and lime green. Now cobalt blue is a huge color for spring. It's popular, it's all over. I think every designer showed cobalt blue. I saw it in Chanel, anyway, it doesn't matter. It's popular, it's very, very popular, cobalt blue. Paired with the green, I love it. This has been a big tradition for Acros. Acros has put cobalt blue and green together quite a bit, but you can see these are the outfit ideas that they do with it, and again, it's just lovely. As I mentioned earlier, what I have on, the burgundy and the rose pink, again, beautiful combination, lots of ways to do it. I could do monochromatic the base and contrast. Here are some outfit ideas that you can look at with that and get some ideas. Then we have navy and yellow. Navy and yellow has been so classic for so many years, but it's back. And I think one of the reasons it's back is they are really trying to push yellow. I don't know why, but yellow hasn't really taken off. But this year we see it with the burgundy and with the navy. Both are opposites, highly contrasted, and just really beautiful colors. Here's some outfit ideas with the navy and yellow, and hopefully you can look in there and find something that you really like. Then we see this burgundy and sky blue, and if you notice, you see burgundy now with several different colors. And I think what I love about sewing is we can simply use that burgundy piece but pair it with all these others to really make it look fresh. The next color, here's some outfits in the burgundy and blue. I'm sorry that I forgot to show you. The next one we see is the acid green and espresso. I love this combination. This is olive green. You can call it different names for basically the same thing, but the same look and the same pairing. As we pair it together, it definitely looks very similar to the same. Here's some outfit ideas with this that it's got on here. And then the last one I wanted to show you, candy apple red and pink, is lovely together. Sometimes we say, does it go, does it not go? It does. It's beautiful together. It's really lovely. Here's some outfit ideas that you can look at to just get some, just get the juices flowing and see what kind of creativity you can come up with. The last color I want to show you is orange. Because orange is all over the place, the best thing you can do, I'm going to challenge you, pair it with denim. Pair it with denim, dark, light, it doesn't matter what color. That orange will be the biggest hit of the season, I promise. The goal is to just have fun with color. Have fun with these color pairings. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.